Dear children, good morning. How are you? Welcome to Sacred Heart School Study Help. I am Sahadev Jana, your SST teacher. Today I am going to teach Class 3 SST. Lesson 1, The Earth in the Universe. Please listen carefully. The Lesson 1, The Earth in the Universe. Look ahead. In this lesson, you will learn about Number 1, the Earth in the universe. Number 2, the stars. Number 3, the sun and the solar system. Number 4, the planets and the moon. Introduction. To us, our Earth appears to be huge, but scientists say that our Earth is just a tiny speck. Speck means a tiny spot in the vast universe. Let us try and understand more about the Earth, Earth's place in the universe. Number 1, the universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Space means a continuous area or expanse which is free, available, or unoccupied. This space contains various heavenly bodies like stars, planets, and moons. It also contains dust, gases, and pieces of rock. The Earth, like a grain of salt in the vast universe. The Earth is like a grain of salt in the vast universe. Number 2, stars. If you look up in the sky at night, you will see thousands of twinkling lights. These twinkling lights are stars. What is a star? A star is a huge ball of hot burning gases. It gives out heat and light. There are millions and millions of stars in the universe. These stars are very far away from us. That is why they look so small. Constellation. Do you know what is constellation? If you look up at night sky, you will see that some groups of stars appears to make patterns. Patterns means a repeated decorative design. A repeated decorative design in the sky. The groups of stars are called constellations. The constellations are named after creatures or persons from myths and legends. Myths means what? A traditional story, especially one concerning the early history of a people or explaining a natural or social phenomenon and typically involving supernatural being or events. Legends means a traditional story, sometimes popularly regarded as historical but not authenticated. Some of the well-known constellations are Leo, Ursa Major, also called the Great Bear, and Orion. The Great Bear is known as the Saptarshi or sword in India. Number 3, the sun and the solar system. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases. It is the star closest to the earth. The earth gets its light and heat from the sun. Without the sun, there would not be no life. The sun has 8 planets. Circling it, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The sun and the planets together form the solar system. Number 4, the planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that travel around a star. They are usually round in shape. Some of them are made of rocks, while some are made of gases. Planets do not have heat or light of their own. They get their heat and light from the star they move around. Unlike the stars, planets do not twinkle. When seen from the earth, they shine with a steady light. Steady means firmly fixed, supported or balanced, not shaking or moving. The moon. The moon is the bright object in the sky at night. It is our nearest neighbor in space. The moon is a ball of rock that travels around the earth. It has no light of its own and reflects the light of the sun. It is much smaller than the sun, but it appears to be the same size because it is much closer to the earth than the sun. The earth is the third planet from the sun. It is only known planet to have life. The surface of the earth is made up of land and water. You will read more about in the next lesson. My dear children, procrastination is the thief of time. So don't waste your time. Study well, work hard. Thank you. May God bless you. Hello my dear children. Here I have given some homework for you. Page number 4 to 6. I now know. Points to remember. Number 1. The universe is a vast expanse of space containing various heavenly bodies like planets and moons. Number 2. The earth is a tiny speck in the vast universe. Number 3. Stars are huge balls of very hot glowing gases. Number 4. Constellations are groups of stars that appear to make patterns in the night sky. Number 5. The sun is a star. The sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. Number 6. The moon is the brightest object in the sky at night. It travels around the earth. Number 7. We live on the planet Earth. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Number 2. The moon is our nearest neighbor in space. Number 3. The earth gets its heat and light from the sun. Planets do not have heat or light of their own. Number 5. The sun and the planets together form the solar system. B. Circle the odd one out. Mercury, Mars, Jupiter. Pluto is the odd one. Uranus, Leo, Orion, the Great Bear. Uranus. Number 3. Water, atmosphere, Earth, Venus. Number C. Multiple choice question, MCQ. The universe is the vast expanse of space. The twinkle of light in the sky, in the dark sky, are called stars. Number 3. The sun is a star. The number of planets in the solar system is 8. The only known planets with life on it is Earth. Answer the following. D. Number 1. What are stars? Stars are huge ball of hot burning gases. Number 2. Describe the universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space containing various heavenly bodies like planets and stars. Number 3. What are constellations? Name the few well-known constellations. Constellations are groups of stars that appear to make patterns in the night sky. Some of the well-known constellations are Leo, Ursa Major, also called Great Bear, is known as the Saptarshi in India. Number 4. What is the solar system? Name the different planets of the solar system. The sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. There are 8 different planets of the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. What are planets? Number 5. Planets are heavenly bodies that travel around a star. They are usually round in shape. Unlike the stars, planets do not twinkle. When seen from the earth, they shine with a steady light. Thank you.